Hello friends, I am Debushmita Nondi. I have qualified CSIR JRF with All India rank 86 and also ICMR JRF this year, and I have finally cleared my JRF in my 7th attempt. I am very thankful to Neha ma'am for giving me this opportunity to share my journey with you, because I know there are many CSIR aspirants who are like me, who are repeaters and have to sit once again for the exam. I cleared NET LS in 2018, and it took me 2 more years to get the JRF. Every time I scored near about 90 to 100, but it never reached that zone to get the JRF. So I know the exact pain and anguish you have right now, because I have faced it too, not one time but for 6 times in a row. So for them I would say that just keep moving, guys. If you keep knocking at the door will certainly open. For coming to my strategy, I will what I did different from the rest of my previous attempts is that this year I took some time before preparation to self evaluate myself. I just took a paper and wrote all my mistakes that I have done during my previous attempts, during preparation and in the exam hall, and I finally found that I have the problem is in my concept clarity and in practice. So the problem is that CSI will never ask you direct questions. They will always ask questions from different concepts linking with different topics and different modules. So it is very necessary to clear your concepts and linking those things with different topics, different modules, and visualizing them and recalling them time to time. Otherwise in question otherwise in exam hall it may create problem. So the next thing I have done this time is I have practiced more. Practicing previous year's questions are is very important, because from that thing you will get an idea about the CSIR questions you are going to face in the exam hall. And this time I have prepared with Unacademy, and it helped me a lot to knowing all the strategies you can apply for solving those PYQs. From Neha ma'am I have learned why basic knowledge is so important. From Virendra Singh sir and Jyoti Kumari ma'am I have learned that how to decode questions and how to reach to the correct answer in less time. So I am very much thankful to Unacademy. It is an amazing learning experience, and I am still a student of it because I want to learn more with Unacademy. And for those students who are going to sit once again, for them I will say that don't give up hope. If I can do it, you can do it too. So thank you guys, and thank you Unacademy for my achievement.